Firstly, wet a cloth. Then measure the mass of this wet cloth. Record the mass. Unfold the wet cloth. Use a hairdryer to blow hot wind to the cloth. After 5 minutes, measure the mass of the cloth again. Find the difference in the mass. Now, repeat the above steps under different conditions. Ensure that the cloth contains roughly the same amount of water every time. In condition 1, use the hairdryer to blow cool wind to the cloth. In condition 2, leave the wet cloth in the windless environment. In condition 3, fold the wet cloth and place it in a windless environment. How does the mass of the cloth change after 5 minutes under each condition?